Above, not that one. Which one you are installing? No, no, no. Don't install from directly over here. Copy the UiPath Studio community above.
Okay.
Above. Copy.
Okay.
And go to the C drive. Okay. There. Create one folder called UiPath. All the programs you can keep it over there. It will be useful for you. Yeah. UiPath. And open. There you paste it. Yeah. Now you can install from here. That's good. This is the best habit. This is the best thing I can suggest everybody. Instead of installing for why, what is the difference is if you are installing from a downloads, then later stages, if you generally downloads, we will be making we will delete all the from downloads. At the time, there might be an issue will be getting for you. So my suggestion is better to keep it in a local system. Click on.
Yeah. So if you mention this advanced users, I think it will be Studio Pro, I think so.
Okay. Okay, go ahead with the, no. Go to the quick recommended for community edition. Quick recommended for community users. Presently, it is a community edition only we are installing. Okay. Yeah, then install. If you are going for enterprise, actually we have two options. One is community edition, one is an enterprise edition. Okay. So community edition is a free version. When you are going to enterprise edition is nothing but is a paid version. In the companies, they used to purchase these enterprise editions. Their licenses will be required for that. Yeah. In a community edition, what is the main difference between the community edition and the enterprise edition is there will not be 0% of difference. Only one difference is there in enterprise edition and the community edition is subject wise, there is no difference. But in enterprise edition, we can go for multiple robots. Okay. Then when community edition, we have only 1+1 robot is permitted. Only one robot. Robot is nothing but execution. For example, I have a 100 processes are there. Then one robot can do only 10 processes. Then to go for 100 process per day, then how many robots we have to purchase? See, we have 100 processes are there in business. One robot can only 10 processes can do.
10.
That 10 robots is required. To purchase 10 robots, they have to go for enterprise edition.
Okay.
So, but here what we are learning is we are that one robot, that 10 executions, we will do it by using this single robot.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes.
So there is only one difference, that is number of robots will be more when enterprise edition licenses are there. These robots they have to purchase, not the studio. Studio is the same, but number of robots they have to purchase as per their client requirements. Okay. Now coming into the enterprise, our community edition, only one they are giving a free, and with that we can execute our programs.
In real time, you work with more than one server or two servers?
Actually, we are using a GitHub where we are storing our all the processes and executing through orchestrator. If you want to continue installing UiPath extension for an okay, yes. Okay. 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 Total Chrome browser you just close. Yeah. Okay. Here you can go for sign in.
Here there is one option. I think we can go with.
One second. Sign in. Connect orchestrator. Standalone options. They changed this option earlier. They used 1 second. Sign in to get licensed and started if you are admin. signing automatically connect to all this orchestrator. Choose the licensing method.
Standalone is there is no set anything.
They changed this one second. Sign in also default for community. Yeah. Okay. You have to go for the first one. Turn on extensions. So some few features they changed. Okay, continue with the Google. Again, it is redirecting the same thing to. Yes. Again, you have to give password. Okay. Yeah, here in the above, you have to click on check on above one, check on and click on open. Wait. Yeah, this is the one somebody is saying, na? This is the one you are saying.
Yes.
Okay. You have got Studio and Studio X. Earlier, the Pro version is also there. That Pro version they removed and directly they are giving in the Studio. Don't take Studio X. I will explain what is the difference between the Studio X and Studio. Take Studio. Studio X is nothing but the persons don't have any basic knowledge of a basic subject, also don't have any programming knowledge. Then they can go for Studio X. They are giving a few more easy features to go for not complicated programs, small processes they can or workflows they can develop by using Studio X. But that is not sufficient for as a developers or UiPath developers or UiPath testers. That is not sufficient for us. So we should have to go for, instead of Studio X, we have to go for Studio only.
Oh.
Okay.
So,
Then this is better to keep it. Don't uncheck. Keep it. Actually, everybody see here. We in this page, they are giving in so many running nodes or videos they are providing. To go to the videos, you can go for Academy. Click on Academy. This is the greatness of UiPath. They themselves is provided all the videos also, proper videos. Whenever you have a time, you can open this page. You can just go through the different videos also. You can go for the courses. Now you see UiPath installations, analysis, all the topics I am teaching, nothing to worry about this, but only the thing is, here is an opportunity is there. If you want to go for videos, you can go through this. Is it clear?
yes. Thank you.
Then come back.
Ashok, please share the link. Ashok.
Yeah, I'm stopping my screen and you can take.
Yeah. Okay. I think everybody clear about the installation part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now let me open my UiPath. Okay, your batch number is, see, this is a base program. This is a home page of an UiPath where I want to create one project. So
your screen is not visible.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now I hope.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, okay. So this is the home page of UiPath. When you are, it is also the same thing, and for him also the same was displayed. But for me, other projects will be displayed. For you people, it is empty. Okay, na? So if you want to start any project, first of all, we have to click on process in the right side. Okay. Now your batch is 28th batch. Okay. So for which case I want to create on your batch number. So process, you have to click on process where we have to give a name. I'm giving in a batch number. This is your project. Always all the programs I'm going to write under this project only. So I'm going to give batch number 28. Okay. Here default will be VB only. Keep this VB only. Okay na? Default will be select VB, keep it VB, just name you have to as a blank process. We have to say that batch number 28 and click create.
And what is use of the library and test automations templates?
I'll come to the later. I'll explain later. Each and
Yeah.
everything I will explain later. Okay.
Yeah.
Because now you couldn't able to understand. So a few subject when you go ahead now, then you can easily able to understand all these things. Presently, what you have to do, you have to click on process, then create one process. Or there you have to create one project. Now you can see my project number is batch number 28. Some of the default dependencies will automatically come. Excel activities, mail activities, system activities, UI activations. Meaning some of the default libraries is associating to this particular project. What is required? Those things automatically coming when you are creating in a project. This is the first one. Second one main file is also there. One main UiPath file will be there. So to develop any programs or in this page, this particular session will be called as ribbon, REBBEN, ribbon. This section will be called. And the left side panel will be called project and activities panel. Two panels are there. You can see. We have one is a project panel, one is an activities panel. Two panels are there in the left side. Snippets is also there, but very rare cases we are going to be used. But basically, we will say project and activities panel. Two panels will be there. Now, the same wise, we have the right side also. Properties panel will be there. The right side will be called properties panel. Here, if you are opening at the time, outline also will be there. You can delete them. Then basically you have to keep a properties as a panel. Okay. So this is the basic concept. And coming into we have 3 pages. One is home page. It will go back to the home page. The same page earlier. Where batch number 28. Now I want to go back again into the UiPath. Then we have to click on back button. So it will come back. Now design is nothing but we are going to be design any workflows here. This is the place of an editor where we can design our workflows. Now coming into the debugging, later I will explain how to debug. If a program you want to debug and some other concepts later these are